Yo, I said to them, I have to laugh. You know. When I listen to that story, blag it out, mad it out. You know, there are some people who don't understand them behavior. When you go to some people yard and them tell about, sorry, excuse the mess. Right? Excuse the mess. When you go to them yard, that's how them first cry. Me did I go clean up, but I didn't get the time. And if you ever ask them, you can use your bathroom, it's a little dirty. Hold on. I don't know if you clean up. I don't like to tell everybody that. Anyway, since I'm here, by now me get used to it. So when them say excuse the mess, me say no man, me understand. I had already understand. Yes. So there's no problem. But you know, sometimes you have landlord and you have slumlord. And they run hand in hand. Because sometimes the landlord them not good. And sometimes them the renters them not even too good neither. But let me tell you something. We have some people when you go in yard. Bed bug. I come from all different angles. And them are tell landlord say them are bed bug. Hold on. Landlord are raise bed bug. If I buy them from somewhere come there, me not understand something there. And the people them who no invite now in the house or wherever wanna go, the bed bug them follow on, pound no clothes and show them a bed bug, then go in a bed. You don't expect a landlord to kill bed bug every single week, month, days, year. You know if you take up a responsibility there. Nasty people who live in our house and bed bug a kill you know. You don't know if you deal with it. Come on man. Anyway, more bullshit for talk. You ever got some people yard? Or you say cockroach? Till cockroach if you say to yourself, somebody new? Goddamn duck, he's new. Me don't know of this. Half my Jamaica, you know? Teenager like dirt, none of them no grew up. What me just say? Teenager like dirt, none of them no grew up. Like them I raise them for cook them, I raise them for fry them, I chew Chinese like them. But you got some people here, a teenager them a duck and a run. Yo, roach like motherfuckery. And then them are going to say a landlord not take care of him place. Again, the landlord no live there. That uno fi put in a uno head. Listen to me. A chuck up place bring roach. Dirty place bring roach. Dirty plate bring roach. Left out food bring roach. Them have something to eat so them a breed. And when them breed, they multiply. When they multiply, them thought, I don't even know if it's called multiplication. You see me? Our house full of roach. I want to tell people, the landlord don't clean it up. Landlord again don't live there. If you don't live in a rental property, you don't have to buy the stuff them, to kill the roach them, I want to wash and plate them, make sure someone not left out nothing for roach. That's what me I try say to dirty people. Yes, straight, me I tell you no. Bedbug and roach. Bedbug and roach, I kill them. And they want landlord to deal with it. In a work, so. Cleanliness is next to godliness. That's how we go up on here. So dirty place bring dirty things. So next time when people come on the yard on the house dirty, they come talk about, excuse me, and when they see roach, you know, come talk about, boy, I don't know where roach come from. I say, oh, dirty landlord. Listen to me. Lion hotel. Lion hotel for landlord. I want a dirty plate. Dirty bathroom. Me have one more thing again. You never go fast food restaurant to go eat in America, not Jamaica? Them your girl a belly bigger hangover. We are serve your food, clothes well dirty up. Them they sitting in my yard. Here, big, tall, Persian. Here and Remy, here and so tall it a swing all over your food. Them they tie up their ear, you know? No. And you have to be careful how you talk like a next thing they're spitting on your food, you know? Them face and them the teeth in a brush. Here the thing, the dirty one them, where them teeth in a brush, them put them for serve you the food. Or them for your cashier. And the rest of the man, they were kind of little clean and girl and kind of little clean and put them way around so you can't see them. And what am I trying to say? A dirty around the place? Eh? No, man. You can do way better than that. Fast food restaurant, you have a main one, you know. One main one with a yellow sign. The one with the big yellow sign, you know. Them people, then the dirty clothes, well dirty. Pants a drop on ground. And them a go home and them a way back. Shirt well staying over 1 week. So through that, me avoid the fast food restaurant place. Next thing again. You ever go out from some restaurant to go eat fancy restaurant? The umbre who sell you the food bend down over and chat over your food and I can always spit in your food. Stay over, son. Turn your face and talk. Not talk over your food you give me. Then you're going to make me have a problem. Then me have the thing I say. And I don't want to go on like some me disturb the night, you know. It's not right. Me not think it right. No, sir. Me think them thing they need for address. Yeah. Them need for address. So, who not like it when me say? You no can comments down there, so. And if you not like it, a thumbs up because me shoot up, so. You understand? A full time. Dirty pot and dirty plate. Dirty bedbug and dirty roach. Dirty clothes that sell food in a fast food restaurant will tall here a dragging on no food. Dirty fingernail well long. Girl a cough all bout and if you cut out. You hear? So no tell a friend, if you tell a friend until you reach a friend, won't see dirty so. Alright? That is it. Oh.